Yes, man, here I am, man. At the dump site, the Jamaica Solid Waste dump site, where them dump all of the garbage them. You see, off the Maneauge Road, a place called Little Miami. So, yes, man. So, up your son name? Up your son
Miami,
name?
Little Miami.
Little Miami, off the Maneauge Road.
Money, yeah.
Yeah.
Money dump.
Yeah. Off the road, Maneauge dump, you know, Little Miami.
Yo, people find gold yesterday and go what you go sell your car and come back with.
So you're so rich, you know, and you're the monks here with the scavenger, them as scavenger, and you find a lot of things. See it? Don't bother till you see this around, so. See it there? Cars, iron. Can get scrap iron out of this. You all a brand new standing fridge there. Master Tech, see it? Brand new standing fridge. In the dump. Little Miami. Off the Maneauge Road. See it there? Only for plastic bottles and so. Can use as recycling. See them there? Tires. Everything scavenge with the crew them and find them daily bread. So when people get up on the top but say nothing not go on, nothing may not go on round them at the time. But something may go on everywhere. Yeah. Yeah, the Little Miami off the Maneauge Road. This dump, NSWMA.
Yeah, so I tell us so a long time I tell what on
See, sleep a scrap iron and scraps is with the boat, yeah? Take a look, as far as you eye can see a scraps is. And you have people digging at it. Find where them are fine.
Man higher need them.
You see?
All of them are man higher need.
Scrap iron. Man just load up when they're ready and go to town and sell out food that we eat.
Food up and table after they come back.
Yes, man. I'm the tour guide at Chris today, you know, for the Maneauge off the road dump, NSWMA. National Solid Waste. So, Chris, how long this dump here run?
Well, I know, sir. My band can see this dump run, you know.
You're 49 and your band can see this dump run.
Yeah, man.
So from then time the people are scavenging them place, yeah.
Yeah, man.
And find them daily bread.
And them riches, everything.
And everything.
Yeah, man. People dig and make them house and turn themselves into man outside, you know.
Yeah.
Some youth you know, no woman, no nobody there. Yes, them survive and get them things going.
You see.
Send themselves to school and all things, you know.
Yeah, at once them say a man find gold out here and when him go to watch him and come back. Or Moby.
Watch him go.
Watch him go and when him come back with car.
Yeah,
and find gold out here so in the
bike.
dump. And bike him come back with. So don't underestimate the dump. Because enough things people find in this dump.
No, everything's very up to
Them riches. See it? As far as my eyes can see. The crow and the gall in them that are in the dump here also. You see? And the kind of draft time you know, so most time the man them are going back you know. They approach them dump here tomorrow. Again. Come scavenge and search where them are search for. You see the amount of tire when they sell out them there, they make a money. We go home back with food on them table. Sleep a cars, whole car and chassis and...
I can't say as I chuck up there so I'll wait for go Riverton tomorrow.
You see what I say?
Go cash money tomorrow.
And steel and so forth. See them there? Yes man, see a truck coming in there. Truck coming in. Let have to dump them. See it there? See it there? N-E-P-N. Going in. There. Backing up. Backing up. There. Like a let off garbage now. And then thing there. That's why it's rich, you know. Nobody chase deep at thing them, you know. People make them daily bread out of this, you know. And then livelihood. You see. See there. I saw them dispose of all the garbage. See there. Yes, man. Pushing it out. All kind of things. Tomorrow morning, if some people come here, scavenge out everything. Watch the jump, guys. Oh, guys. Oh, see it there? That's the process, you know. See it? Yes, man, all the buckles to recycle. Loom, iron. Them something here, steel, old fridge. All these garbage that you see here, after them done scavenge out and take out what them want and so forth, you have tractor, push them away, you see, and backfill up place and thing, those things, take a good look. Yes, man, dump out already. Get back in a gear. We move out of here. See it there? Right so. Towards not back, you know. I thought. Yes, man. I'm going to get out of here now, driving out back, you know. I'm let off him load and I go out back. See there. Yes, man. Up at the solid waste dump up the Maneauge way there, you know. Them there, see how we stay there.
Yes, sir, give me the pound, sir.
All kind of iron and scrap and everything, all works. So you see how much things there in the dump them. All fridge, all car, everything. Yes, I can sell as scrap iron. So you see people make them daily food out of this area. Like a scavenger. Scavenging down. Yes, man. But this one, you know, can't see them out there in the dump at scavenging, you know. Them and the bird them. Cause food have to eat. Work have to go on.
From pick the bar road of it on.
Yes, man. See again, and next truck a tip out, you know. Good, no, you know the pan, you know. I just chop me at it. Believe me. You can't come here so cold look. No, I do that to you, man. See there? I saw them tip it out. Yes, man. Yes, man. I am coming to the ending of this video, you know. So please like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.